Hi there. I wanted to give you a quick review of having grass like this job, manufactured turf, instead of having concrete decking or pavers or tile around the pool. I was able to stay at my friend's house out in Palm Desert here for 4 days with my wife and some of my kids and some of my grandkids. So number one, it is the same temperature as the coping versus the grass. If anything, the grass is maybe a little bit cooler than concrete. Also, number two, what I really liked is the look. It looks amazing. Don't pay attention to how dirty the pool is. We had a huge storm come through, so the pool's filthy. But it looks great. Number one, it looks great, like I said. Two, it's not any hotter than concrete. If anything, it's cooler. You don't have to worry about modeling in the concrete or the concrete cracking, discoloring, any of that kind of stuff, which is a big deal with concrete. And the grass will probably last 10 to 15 years and still look great, hold up well. And with the kids running around because they're wet and it gets on the grass, it didn't have any issues with the kids were saying it was too hot or a problem. So that's cool. They actually make now some, and I know they're coming out with better materials as well, but the some of the infill that goes in the grass is actually cooler than some other kinds of infill, which is cool, which this one has the standard stuff. But I like the look. So overall, my take on it, I love grass around the pool instead of decking. What's your thoughts? Looks cool though.